being an artist, iba tayo eh. We look internally, because like when you paint, when you draw, when you do your graphics, when you do your symbolism, internal yun eh.
Mm.
Kaya, saan nanggaling to?
Diyan lumalabas.
Yeah. You have a very spiritual connection, no? Kasi you can't do it without spiritual. That's why when I paint or when I draw, pagka nawala na yun, matanggal. Tapos babalikan mo. Kamusta? I am back.
Parang diwata eh, no? Na,
Yun nga.
yeah, nag-aano sa, yeah, I agree.
Kasi you have to search that. Kaya, sinabi ko sa'yo, na kailangan you have to make a journal, of your progression. How did you come about this certain visual complexity? Kasi, pagka, halimbawa, magtuturo ka ng schema, ha? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, ha? Okay? Pagka nagawa mo yung 1, 2, 3, 5, 9, now you have to go back. What is the reason for this movement? What is the reason for this particular movement? So, but then, some people, they say, oh, I'm gifted, I did not have to go to school, blah, blah, blah. No. It transcends all of that. School, teacher, whatever. Eventually, you have to acquire a knowledge and a skill set for yourself. And then you base it on your idea, your idea of what is like connect to me spiritually. Nagsa-search tayo palagi, di ba? Pero sa searching natin, we make a lot of mistakes. But that's part of it, di ba? Di ba? Even if we make a lot of mistakes historically, at least we tried it and failed, you see. It's better to have failed than failed, but not do it at all, no? And then you would be living in this being blind all the time. No? That's not good for us.